A safe and sustainable campus, community, and world. This is our vision. This is why we come to work every day here at Iowa State University. This is environmental health and safety. Our mission: prevent illness and injury, protect the environment, and connect the university to the message of safety and preparedness. Pretty simple, right? Prevent, protect, connect. Our unassuming building sits quietly on the north side of campus. Most don't even know we're here. But that's fine with us. We let results and the impact of our work do the talking. We connect with the campus community in many ways. Our impact is felt when we work with faculty, staff, and students to identify hazards, assess risks, improve safety, provide services, and share experiences in things like research facilities, where we provide safety trainings, hazard waste pickups, biological, chemical, and radiological audits, biosafety cabinet and fume hood certifications, survey instrument calibrations, and access control and secure lockout of equipment. Or offices, where you can request an ergonomic evaluation, and we also perform indoor air quality evaluations. University buildings, where we perform fire and life safety inspections, AED management, safety signage, and fire extinguisher management. We'll survey construction sites and provide asbestos and lead abatements and stormwater control. And even walking surfaces. We'll observe, evaluate, and conduct accident investigations. So yeah, we do a lot. To make it a little easier, let's break things down in a scenario. Say there's an emergency event in a campus research facility, let's say a fire. Guess which department staff will be involved from the first fire alarm to the last moment of recovery? That's right, EH&S. For the purposes of making this a more personable experience, let's say you were in the lab when the fire occurred. Since you previously logged into the EH&S website and completed fire safety training, you knew exactly what to do in the event of a fire. So everyone's safe. But now what? Well, let's start with an aftermath checklist. What happens to any damaged chemicals and equipment? If the sprinkler's activated, what about water damage or the potential for mold? Smoke damage? Has the area been damaged enough that a temporary research space is needed? Was there any radioactive material in the lab? And most importantly, how do you put this event behind you and return things to normal? Ew, is that blood or ketchup? Bloodborne Pathogens online training is something that can help you know exactly what to do if you run into a situation like this. Because getting you and the people around you home safely is what's most important. Ugh, you took quite a tumble. If you happen to injure yourself while on the job, EH&S can help you get back on your feet. We work with McFarland Occupational Medicine when you have to fill out a first report of injury to determine the cause of your injury and ways we can prevent anything like this from happening in the future. We do our best to prevent emergency situations from occurring, but when the time comes, we have you covered. Emergency maps detailing emergency routes, shelters, and AED and fire extinguisher locations are on every floor of every building on campus. Speaking of fire extinguishers, we make sure every single extinguisher on campus is in working order so that if you ever find yourself in an emergency situation, you won't get burned. Knowing when and how to use an extinguisher is very important, and we provide fire safety training both online and in the classroom in addition to many other courses. Just head to our website or follow us on social media to check out the full list of available training. Hopefully you've learned just a little about who we are and what we do for the university. At EH&S, we're dedicated to providing our exemplary service, continuing to foster beneficial partnerships, delivering effective, innovative education, and maintaining reliable, technical expertise. EH&S doesn't just stand for environmental health and safety. It stands for everyone home safely. And in the end, that's all that really matters. An adventure isn't worth going on unless you make it to the end. And we're here to make sure that happens. Adventure safely.